Hey Glam Squad, welcome back to another video. I have been gone, y'all. I have been gone, but it was great being gone. Self-care, had to get the self together. So welcome back to another video. So today all I'm going to be doing is going ahead and putting some curls in my wig. Allure Hair Boutique, and she ships all around the world. I am so in love. I am so aesthetic with my wig. The professionalism was on point. The courtesy was on point, and how fast she got my wig done was on point. Okay, so I like to start curling my hair or my wigs from the back, and I'll make my way to the front. I think this is about 8 to 9 curls on this side, so I am going to try to mimic that. I need to put a little more curls in this. Now, I like my, unless I'm doing a kinky hair, kinky texture, I love my waves to be loose. I love how it looks after 2 to 3 days of being done like this. So by the time I comb it out in a day or two, or even tomorrow morning of sorts, it will give me that little swoop that I like in front of my hair. So let's get started. So I have my duck clips ready, and I try to touch the back of my head just to make sure that I'm getting all of the hair on this side that I need to curl. And everybody knows, doing everything by yourself, for yourself, if you don't have someone assisting you, you need a second mirror. So I do have a mirror in front of me, or I can just use my hands to feel, just like when I braid my hair. So the only thing I added to my wig, I washed my wig. I only wore it probably 2 times last month. So I got it last month. So I washed it, I conditioned it, I let it out to dry. It's been like a week. So now I am going to curl it. This is a hot iron RX7. I don't know by who it's by, but I got it from, what was that, Ross? Anywho, this is my first time actually using a flat iron to curl hair, by the way. And I kind of like how it's giving me the loose curls that I like. I watched a few tutorials, but I'm sure I'm gonna mess up, guys. But that's all right with me, as long as it gives me like the loose curls that I'm going for. This is not giving me what like my niece say, what it's supposed to be given. So let me flip it over and feed the hair through. Yes, now it's giving me what I'm going for, something like this, where the curls are more towards the bottom, so it still gives me the loose curls that I like. So you guys could just watch me curl my hair. This is the first time. I think I'm doing okay. You guys will let me know. I take medium-sized hair, grab some of that curl. Doesn't even matter. All right, so when I get directly to the top, and voila. This is not perfect, but it's giving me what it was supposed to give, which is nice looking.
Thank you.
Now I'm going to use just a little bit of hard head on my hands to try to tame the little frizz on top. But to be honest with you guys, I don't use products in my human wigs. Now y'all see the way I treat my synthetic wigs. I try not to use that much product in them neither, because it holds up longer. It really does. Now you can put a little argan oil in here lightly. Put some argan oil in your hair. I like doing this little hump, so I curl the hair forward, then take the remaining of the curls and curl backwards. Now by tomorrow morning, I'm gonna throw some of this hair you know, in the back, and then I'm gonna bring just a few to the front like this, and then I'm gonna use my fingers to go through it, and it's gonna give me that nice luscious curl pattern that I like, you know, going back. But some people, when they curl their hair, they like to, you know, leave it for, for a long period of time, which, trust me, I understand. But for me, I like curling my hair like twice a week or once a week. So, you know, that's good enough for me. So, this is it. Okay. So this is the curls from my loose waves from Allure Hair Boutique. I'm loving how luscious and big these curls have came out. So you guys can definitely try her for your next human hair unit. This is the loose wave hair, and I think I got a 20, a 20, a 18, and a 16-inch in loose wave. This cap is so fitted to my head. I love it. It holds curls. This is my second time curling it before I did this review, and it holds curls for the whole week. I like my curls to be loose, so by tomorrow I'll be running my fingers through it and giving me them luscious curl patterns that I like.